Leslie. Welcome back to my cross stitch channel. In today's video, I'm going to be presenting to you a finished cross stitch project that I started somewhere in October of this year, and it took me about 1.5, almost 2 months to complete it. And I want to show it to you. So this is the preview. This is a kit by Bothy Threads, Enchanted Pumpkin House. The finished size of it, I'm not sure how much this is in inches, but in centimeters it's 26 by 36 centimeters. And it's very cool. I like the series that they have, Bothy Threads, they have like cartoon, different cartoon kits that you stitch on with black floss. So here is the finished project and the result. You see, it's Bothy Threads, made in 2016. Pumpkin House. Now the colors here, they are pre-printed, but you still have to use a chart because the chart is not pre-printed. It's just the colors that are here. I really like this because this has a lot of the attributes of a haunted house. You have a house here, and the number is 13, and you have a pumpkin. It looks like a Halloween pumpkin, and you have a lot of spiders and spider webs everywhere in the windows and the underworld. And then you have a tombstone and the skeleton and the grave, and that is his tombstone. And this is like the underworld. There's something like under her house, because you see the roots of the tree coming down, and then you have the skeleton's grave down there, and you have the cat and a rat, and of course spider webs and spiders. And you have the witch with the witch's hat and the cauldron. She's cooking up something, some kind of potion. And the tree itself, it looks very, very haunted. And you have an owl here, and you have bats also here. Everything except for the moon and the steam here is cross-stitched with black floss. And I had to use 3 strands according to the instructions, of course. But the problem is, even though I used 3 strands of black floss, it's still, you can see the fabric. It's like see-through. The crosses do not cover the fabric completely. You can see through the fabric a little bit. And this is a 14 count Ada fabric Zweigart. You can see by here, this is the marking of Zweigart fabric. And the only other color, which is not really color, it's a metallic floss, you need to use for the moon, and you need for the steam that is coming out of the cauldron. And you have to use that the metallic floss for the owl's eyes and the cat's eyes. I just want to show you the floss. Here it is. I have a lot of it left. This is the metallic thread, and I hated it. It's very inconvenient. It's not at all easy to work with, because it's so hard to go when you take a needle and you use it. It's so hard to take through the fabric. It goes through the fabric with very, very hard, and it takes effort. It's not like cotton thread at all. And the quality, I think, was not so good. It looks like it's falling apart. I didn't even want to, of course I wanted to, but I didn't feel comfortable washing the finished project, because I thought that by washing the fabric and then by ironing it, this thread, this floss, metallic floss, would just fall apart. And so I didn't wash it. But I ironed it very, very carefully. I try not to iron a lot at this place where you have the metallic fabric. And at the end, when I was done, I attached these stars, and I just wish that there were more of these stars in the kit, because I would have liked to have more here and maybe some here. But that was all I had in the kit. And one more thing, I still have a lot of black floss left. They were very generous. Bothy were very generous for this kit. You don't need that much, but I still have a lot left. Let me just show you how much. See. And I am gonna keep these. Black floss is always needed. Even though I don't think this is DMC, maybe it is, but it does not say anything about DMC floss here. But I am gonna keep this. I am not gonna keep this. This I am throwing away. That was about it. But I can show you what it looks like. Great detailing. I loved it. It was quite easy to cross stitch. Nothing really, nothing hard, nothing complicated. Just some back stitching here, here, here. It's mostly the spider webs that have the back stitching. And I am pleased with the result. If you like this video, let me know. Just give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And if you have some ideas for me, if you want something for me to film and to make a video about, just let me know in the comment section below. And I hope you have a great day and great week. And today is the 25th of December, so it's Christmas Day. So Merry Christmas, everyone. And I hope you have a Happy New Year as well. Have a great day. Bye-bye.